So Joe, I'm going to turn it over to you. You're the CEO of Articulate.ai.
Yes. Nice to meet everyone. So let me I'm gonna show up my slides. I hope everyone can see them. Okay. Okay. So hi, my name is Joe Yu. I'm a professor at Columbia University in the CS department. So I have been working in AI for more than 15 years. My previous student, Arbit Chen, who is a 10-year experience in industry enterprise solutions. So we came together to build a company to support the education space. So it is first supported by National Science Foundation to transform our research into product. And I have been an academic for all my life, so I really understand in terms of all these kind of difficulties that the schools are experiencing, and a lot of them are really eager to learn how to combine AI in their workforce to make them more efficient. So particularly, we're looking at a problem in sort of helping the school or helping professional schools of education technology companies to communicate with their customers or students better. So we develop a conversational AI chatbots that empowers the large language models to be able to provide more personalized experience for every student, to know about the programs, to know about everything going on. So a couple of things that we definitely see these days that's a change. People want more information, and they wanted to write now and write then. Thanks to like a wide adoption of ChatGPT, people got used to having more like a targeted questions that I want to answer right away. They're no longer be satisfied with reading materials that are pages and pages or going through websites to find their information. So conversational agents has been a better way in general to get access to knowledge and get information. On the other side, that if you look at the enrollment team, they usually have a small team, and they have to serve so many students. You get requests all the time, like on a Monday morning, you spend 3 hours replying all the emails, replying to all these requests. But chatbots can actually free up a lot of these repetitive work. So you can hook up the chatbot with your email or text messagings. So now you can give people right away the answer. And then agents can actually, like enrollment advisors, can work on in-person services, like on-campus visits and stuff. Another thing is, if you think about chatbots, a lot of times you see more passive chatbots, which means that only the users or like customers on your website ask a question, then the chatbot will respond with the answer. So this is what we call a reactive kind of chatbot. So what we build is a chatbot that only can do reactive responses, but also active responses. You can build conversational flows to help the students or your prospect students to complete call to actions, like leave informations or complete registrations and so on. Another thing we see is, especially the new generation, they're more likely to reply by text messagings than simple emails. So our conversational agents could be hooked up with various different channels on Discord, Slack, all kinds of different channels to integrate information. Again, because we're a technology-driven company, I've been in the computer science software engineering for a long time. What we built is really a solution. We want the schools to be able to self-serve, which means that you can make all the modifications, design the chatbots all on a website interface. So you don't have to like communicate with us in order to get small changes built in. So it's a solution we call self-served over time. So we're going to show a product demo. So what we usually engage with schools or with companies is you get an account, which is just you go onto our website, you log in, and you will be able to build your conversational chat flow yourself. It's a drag and drop process. You can drag a question. You can personalize what are the greeting messages that you want. You can have diversities around that. So you can build different conversational flows that you engage with different sectors of user, depending on whether they're ready to proceed on to the next cycle or they wanted to get more education over time. You can build your knowledge base of your chatbot through various tools. You can upload documents. You can put in links of your web pages, and you can even write your own FAQs through our website. So everything you do, if you want to update your web pages, you'll be able to do it on your end. So you don't have to send information to us. You can do it all by yourself. And then about what it look like in terms of your chatbot on your web pages. You can change it yourself by changing dimensions, changing your images and so on. You can see it right now, right then. Once you change it on our platform, it will be synced with your deployed chatbots very easily. In terms of integration, we make it super simple for you. Once you enter where you want to put your chatbot, it will automatically generate a piece of code you can just put onto your websites. And that is all you need to integrate a chatbot. And you can also check all the conversational, basically your prospects or your existing students talking to your chatbot. And you can see what are the conversation look like. You can, based on the question, add additional question answer pairs if you don't like the chatbot's answer. You can also explore all the information into a CSV and do more analytics yourself. You can also integrate the conversations into a HubSpot, Salesforce, or Slate, so all your informations are synced up together. You can also do visualizations to see how many people come to your website, how many of them left a phone number or emails wanting you to call back, or how many of them wanted a specific question answered. So it's a very easy to use interface for you to deploy your chatbots. You can change the chatbots within minutes and test it on the fly. So you can monitor over time how well your chatbots are completing the conversations over time as well. I think that's all I had in terms of time.